Hi, welcome to Spool to Cool. Today we're going to be working on a puzzle. I'm not going to show you how to make it, but I will be posting it on Thingiverse. And so let's get started. By the way, it is not edible, but we're gonna take a look at it. So here is the sleeve. I'm gonna pull it out, and you can see all these little circles in it. The goal is to get all the circles laid flat inside the box, and it's really hard to do. I tried doing it without my little cheat sheet. It's almost impossible. But then I tried it with the cheat sheet. It's still pretty hard if you don't get the scale right. But once I printed out a new cheat sheet where the scale was done correctly, I got it pretty easily. So let's dump the pieces out and we'll try to solve it. In time lapse, of course. There's all the pieces. Okay. Let's push this to the side because I gotta get my cheat sheet ready. Okay. There we go. And I'll have to sort these onto the page here. Now I just got to put these into there, one section at a time. Somehow I missed a piece. It was this one right here. I don't know where it went, but anyway. So that one there. Anyway, I found a spare, and now I can put it back in the sleeve. So what'd you think of that? Leave some comments below, and see you on the tube. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.